Ever wondered why NASA delayed the space station crew rotation flight? Well, it's a tale of meticulous planning, thorough checks, and a little bit of space politics. When it comes to space missions, every detail matters. Each launch is a culmination of countless hours of planning and preparation. The slightest miscalculation or technical glitch can throw everything off course. So, when NASA announced the delay of the crew rotation flight, it wasn't a decision made lightly. Safety is paramount in space travel. Astronauts' lives depend on the flawless operation of countless systems and subsystems. When faced with the potential for technical issues, NASA chose caution, opting to delay the mission until they could guarantee the safety of the crew. Another crucial factor in any space mission is weather. Unfavorable conditions can make a launch risky, if not impossible. In our case, the weather played a part in the decision to delay the launch, and of course the space politics. In the grand chessboard of international space agencies and private companies, timing is everything. Sometimes a delay can pave the way for other missions like SpaceX's Starlink launch. So the delay wasn't just a matter of pushing back dates on a calendar, it was a necessary step in ensuring the success of the mission. Now this is where things get interesting. Enter SpaceX, Elon Musk's ambitious space venture. When NASA experienced delays in its space station crew rotation flight, SpaceX stepped in to fill the gap, showcasing the power of public-private partnerships in space exploration. SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft was selected for this mission. The Dragon is a free-flying spacecraft designed to deliver both cargo and people to orbiting destinations. It is the only spacecraft currently flying that is capable of returning significant amounts of cargo to Earth, making it an invaluable tool in the world of space travel. The mission, known as the Crew 7, was commanded by American astronaut Jasmine Moghbeli. The crew was a diverse blend of astronauts from the United States, Denmark, Japan, and Russia, demonstrating the global cooperation inherent in the exploration of space. The Dragon spacecraft successfully launched the crew to the International Space Station, marking the 7th rotation of the ISS crew since 2020. The Dragon spacecraft is equipped with a unique set of features that make it particularly suited for these missions. It boasts a fully autonomous docking system, meaning it can attach itself to the space station without any assistance. It also has an advanced heat shield that protects the crew and cargo during the fiery re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. The Dragon spacecraft's successful launch and docking at the International Space Station is a testament to the capabilities of SpaceX. It shows how private companies are playing an increasingly important role in space exploration, stepping in to ensure missions go ahead even when there are unforeseen delays. So, despite the delay, the mission was far from being off track, thanks to SpaceX's involvement. After all the anticipation and meticulous planning, the day of the final launch finally arrived. It was a day filled with a mix of tension and exhilaration. The air was thick with anticipation and the hum of machinery was the only sound piercing the silence. The crew, radiant with a mixture of excitement and focus, underwent their final checks. These are routine yet crucial procedures that ensure the safety and success of the mission. The astronauts from the United States, Denmark, Japan, and Russia were all ready to embark on their 6-month-long expedition to the International Space Station. The spacecraft, Elon Musk's Dragon, stood tall and majestic on the launch pad, ready to pierce through the sky. The countdown began, and with each passing second, the heartbeat of everyone present was mirroring the ticking clock. And then, amidst the roaring cheers and the thunderous applause, the spacecraft launched. It was a sight to behold as the Dragon ascended, leaving behind a trail of fire and smoke. A wave of relief and joy washed over the control room as the spacecraft successfully cleared the first crucial minutes of the launch. Next, the Dragon is expected to dock at the International Space Station after 24 hours. The crew will then conduct various groundbreaking experiments during their stay. They will study microorganisms in space and assess physiological differences in sleep, contributing to our understanding of life beyond Earth. This mission marks the 7th rotation of the International Space Station crew since 2020. Despite the initial delay, the mission proceeded smoothly, proving yet again the resilience and determination of all those involved in space exploration. With the successful launch, the delay became a thing of the past, and the focus shifted to the exciting journey ahead. So, what can we learn from this series of events? Quite a bit, actually. The world of space exploration is a complex one, filled with unexpected twists and turns. One of the major points to remember from this saga is the reason behind the delay. It's a reminder that in the realm of space missions, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. The delay in the mission was not a failure, but a testament to the caution and meticulousness that goes into these operations. It's about making sure every detail is perfect, every possibility is accounted for, and every risk is calculated. It's about putting safety and success above speed and schedules. Then, there's the role of SpaceX. The company's involvement in the mission was pivotal. Their Dragon spacecraft, a marvel of modern engineering, carried 4 astronauts from 4 different countries to the International Space Station. It's a testament to the power of international cooperation and the benefits of private-public partnerships in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Moving on to the final launch, it was nothing short of spectacular. The successful takeoff and docking at the International Space Station marked another milestone in space exploration. It's an affirmation of human ingenuity and perseverance, a beacon of hope that lights the way for future missions. And let's not forget the experiments conducted during the 6-month stay at the ISS. From studying microorganisms in space to assessing physiological differences in sleep, these experiments offer invaluable insights that could revolutionize our understanding of life in space and beyond. In the grand scheme of things, the delay was but a small blip in an otherwise successful mission, and as they say, the show must go on, and indeed it did.